So positive and negative numbers. Positive and negative number. So every number in algebra is either positive or negative. So whenever you come across an algebra and you're solving a question, you have to ask yourself, am I working with a positive number? Am I working with a negative number? Right? Every number is either a positive number or a negative number. Okay? So how do we know the sign of a number? The sign in front of a number belongs to the number. Okay? So the sign in front of a number belongs to the number. Okay? So if I have 3x plus 4, this plus belongs to 4, not 3x. This plus here belongs to 4 and not 3x. Okay? Also, whenever you don't see any sign at the beginning of an algebraic expression, you should know that the sign there is a positive sign. So if you don't see any sign in front of the first number of an algebraic expression, immediately you should know that the sign there is a positive sign. Okay? So there's no need to write plus. No need for that. No need to write plus 3x plus 4. No. So you have 3x plus 4. But you should know that the sign in front of 3 is a positive sign. Okay? If I have 8y minus 16. So this 16 is a negative number because the sign in front of it is negative. So this number is not 16. This number is negative 16 or minus 16. So always call the sign in front of the number because that sign belongs to the number. Okay? So it is very important. It is very important. So now we can look at operations involving positive and negative numbers. Operations involving positive and negative numbers. What do I mean by that? Multiplication of positive and negative numbers, division of positive and negative numbers, addition of positive and negative numbers, and subtraction of positive and negative numbers. So let's look at that. So multiplication. So we want to look at multiplication. When you are multiplying numbers, the first thing you need to identify is what signs do these numbers have? These numbers that are multiplying, what signs do they have? Okay, so when the signs are the same, your answer is positive. When the signs are the same, your answer is positive. Okay, so that means if I have two positive values multiplying themselves, I'm going to get positive value. If I have two negative values multiplying themselves, I'm going to get a positive value. So that means plus multiplied by plus is going to give us plus. Example, plus 4 multiplied by plus 3 is going to give us plus 12. So plus multiplied by plus is equal to plus. The reason the answer is positive is because the two signs are the same. Also, minus multiplied by minus is equal to plus. Okay, as long as the signs are the same, your answer will be positive. So if I have minus 4 multiplied by minus 3, I will also get plus. I will also get plus 12. So the principle is when the signs are the same, your answer is positive. So when you are multiplying algebra, you identify the signs. When you identify the signs, are they the same? If they are the same, your answer will be positive. So you multiply the signs, plus times plus gives you plus. Then you multiply the numbers, 4 times 3 gives you 12. The same thing here, the signs are the same, minus times minus gives you plus, and then 4 times 3 gives you 12. So you multiply the signs first, and then you multiply the numbers. That's how to multiply. Okay, let's continue. when the signs are different, your answer will be negative. So when the signs are the same, your answer will be positive. But once the signs are different, your answer will be negative. So if I have plus multiplied by minus, the signs are different, the answer will be negative. Example, plus 4 multiplied by minus 3. So you multiply the signs, plus times minus gives you minus, and then 4 times 3 gives you 12. So also, if you have minus times plus, no matter which one comes first, it results in negative since the signs are different. So minus 4 times plus 3 is equal to minus 12, as long as the signs are different. So this principle holds true when you are multiplying algebra. It's very important, okay? You multiply the signs first, and then you multiply the numbers. So let's look at, we've looked at multiplication. We are going to look at division now, okay? So for division, I don't need to write the statement again, but the principles are similar. When the signs are the same, the answer will be positive. So just as we did in multiplication, the same principle applies to division. So I don't need to write too long again. So when the signs are the same, your answer will be positive. That means plus divided by plus is equal to plus. When the signs are the same, your answer will be positive. So if I have plus 20 divided by plus 5. So first I divide the signs, plus divided by plus gives me plus, positive, and then 20 divided by 5 gives me 4. So in division, the principle holds true. When the signs are the same, your answer will be positive. The same thing applies for negative. Minus divided by minus. The signs are the same. As long as the signs are the same, the answer will be positive. Okay? When the signs are the same, your answer will be positive. Minus, minus. So therefore, you have positive. So minus 20 divided by minus 5. This will give you, minus divided by minus will give you plus. 20 divided by 5 will give you 4. So as long as the signs are the same, your answer will be positive. Okay? So these are the principles you need to follow when you are doing any operation in algebra, either multiplying or dividing. So we've seen when the signs are the same. Let's look at when the signs are not the same. So just as we did in multiplication, when the signs are different, your answer is negative. When the signs are different, your answer is negative. So division, when the signs are different, the answer is negative. So plus divided by minus, the answer is minus. The signs are different, therefore our answer is negative. So if I have plus 20 divided by minus 5, first I divide the signs. Plus divided by minus gives me minus. 20 divided by 5 gives me 4. Also, if I have negative at the top and positive at the bottom, as long as the signs are different, my answer will be negative. So minus 20 divided by plus 5 is equal to minus 20 divided by plus 5 minus divided by plus is minus. 20 divided by 5 is 4. So either ways, I'll get a negative sign. So we've considered multiplication and we've also considered division. Let's look at some examples. Okay. So all these examples we've looked at are not algebra. Remember, they don't have any alphabets attached to them. So in our next class, we will now look at how to add, how to do the same process when there are alphabets attached to them. So let's look at this. Following the principles we've learned, minus 18 divided by plus 3. First, we divide the signs. From what we've learned, negative divided by positive, the signs are different, so our answer will be negative. Our answer will be negative. And then 18 divided by 3, the answer is 6. So that means that will be our answer. Next, plus multiplied by plus. The signs are the same. So since the signs are the same, our answer will be positive. And then 7 multiplied by 5, 35. So our answer is plus 35. Plus 35. Next, we have C minus multiplied by minus. The signs are the same. The signs are the same, so our answer will be plus. Since the signs are the same, our answer will be plus or positive. And then 3 multiplied by 12, that will give us 36. And then next, we have D, plus divided by minus, positive divided by negative. The answer will be negative because the signs are different. So once the signs are different, the answer will be negative. And then 28 divided by 7, that will give us 4. So we have minus 4. Okay. So now we've looked at multiplication. We've looked at division. Next, we're going to look at subtraction. We're going to look at addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction. This feels a little bit more complex for most students, but if you take your time to think about it, you will find it very easy.